How to divide fractions. Let's say we have 2/3 divided by 3/4. To divide fractions, we need to follow these 3 steps. We keep, change, invert. That means we need to keep the dividend, that is 2/3, and then we change the operation to multiplication, and then we invert the divisor. The resulting fraction is what you call the reciprocal. Then we will solve this using the rule of multiplication. That means we need to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So let's solve this. This is equal to 2 times 4, that's 8, and 3 times 3, that's 9. That means the answer is 8/9. So how about this example? 3/5 divided by 9/20. So we follow the 3 steps. We keep, change, and invert. Then we will do cross cancellation. 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Also, 20 and 5 are both divisible by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then this is equal to 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 3 is 3, or 1 and 1/3. Now how about this? A whole number 6 divided by 15/2. So, for whole numbers, we change it into fraction first by putting a 1 in the denominator. And then we will follow the 3 steps. We keep, change, and invert. And then we will do cross cancellation. 6 and 15 are both divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3, that's 2, and 15 divided by 3, that's 5. 1 and 2 don't have common divisor except for 1. So let's solve this. This is equal to 2 times 2, that's 4, and 1 times 5 is 5. So the final answer is 4/5. How about this? 5/14 divided by 3 and 4/7. For multiplication or division of fractions, we always change mixed numbers into improper fractions before we solve it. So let's change this. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 4, that's 25. So now it's improper fraction. And then let's continue. We keep, change, and invert. Then continue with cross cancellation. 5 and 25 are both divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5, that's 1. 25 divided by 5, that's 5. Also, 7 and 14 are both divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, that's 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And then, let's solve this. This is equal to 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 5 is 10. That means our quotient is 1/10. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned from this video. Please support my channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also write the math topics you want to learn on the comments section.